tried to open mountain trying to get me out, but it got me. Sand ain't my thing apparently.
It's super stuck. Any and everything under there. I'm gonna have some fun with the F-150. Alrighty guys, we're up here on the north end and we got what appears to be a front wheel drive RAV4 just railed out. So we're gonna get this thing out of here. Hi guys. How you doing? What was your name?
Maria.
Maria. John, nice to meet you. All right, let me take a look, okay? Is it on? Can you have the key? Turn it on? It won't even turn. Oh, wow. It's super stuck. So what I'd probably do, I can dig out the front and get a rope hooked up to it, and then we just nice and easy pull you up until you're on the concrete, okay?
Okay.
And so once I get it hooked up, I'll just have you get in there, and you're just gonna put it in drive and just basically follow me, just a tiny bit of gas. I'm gonna do most of the work. I just want you to be like my caboose, just following me, okay?
Okay.
All right. Oh man. Oh my gosh, this wind is gnarly, dude. Should have just taken my shirt off.
Oh, I think you got another one down there.
Oh yeah.
All the way down there.
All right, yeah. Shirt's coming off.
Moments later.
All right, ready?
Right?
Yep, yep. So just wheel straight with me. Just like that. Just in drive, little bit of gas. I'm gonna do most of the work. You're just following behind me, okay? Nice and easy. Good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, here, turn this wheel. I don't have a pocket. You put that in your pocket. Yeah, well, this thing's light, so with the Tundra, I don't really need to spin tire. Can you turn the wheel all the way this way? The wheel? This way? The wheel. This way. That Chevy, I don't know if you heard me, that Chevy looks like he's about to pull on that Ford. Yeah, I'm interested how that's gonna go. All right. You have a great day, okay? Yes, of course.
Have a great day.
Much later.
Alrighty guys, we are on the north end up here, and we got a call. Ha! Wow. For a Jeep Cherokee, and probably only about 10 minutes ago. And there's already an F-150 railed. Absolutely appears to be framed, connected to the Jeep, so let's see what these kids got going on. Hello, hello.
What's going on?
So,
Nothing much?
I tried to pull them out, didn't work.
yeah.
I can tell.
I guess he said he'd pay for mine to get out.
Okay. Yeah. If he wants to spend double the money for no reason. What's up, man?
Hey, boss, how you doing?
Good. How about yourself? What was your name?
Caesar.
Caesar. John, nice to meet you. Man, I tried to come quick, and I hate to charge you twice if you're paying for him too now.
Yeah.
Man, it's less than ideal. I'll cut you some slack. I feel a little bad, but, you know, not much I can do if I was already on the way. Yeah, any and everything under there.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get me out, and then
Yep.
you can get him from you. I tried to help him out and try to get me out, but he got me up.
Yeah, you're down there, pal.
Yeah, you don't say. I was about to get a shovel and start getting it out.
That's wild. Down there a little bit, that's for sure.
Yeah, no doubt. I tried to get him out, it didn't work.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was out here for like 30 minutes trying to get out, and I felt bad, so I was like, I'll pull you out.
I'm gonna have some fun with the F-150.
How long ago did he call y'all?
Like, when I got here, it had been less than 15 minutes, like probably 12 minutes.
Good Lord. Yeah,
That's why I was like, I came pretty quick, but
been stuck for a while.
yeah, they normally wait to call for a while, but you know.
Because nobody else was helping him, I'm like, I'll try it. Apparently, it didn't work out for me.
I'm gonna do a 30 just cause. Yeah, especially with a flat strap like that, and if everything's not timed up perfectly, a lot can go wrong fast.
No, I didn't know. I was just trying to help.
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with trying to help somebody.
Oh, no doubt.
All right, so once I get this hooked up, you get in there. You in 4 high or low?
Low.
All right, that's fine. Leave it in low. Just try and give it a little gas and have that wheel straight with me. Have a little bit more fun with you. I'll give it a bop.
Yeah, mine should be pretty easy to get out.
Yeah, I mean, neither of them should be too bad. All right, you good? I told you I had to have a little bit of fun with it.
Oh, I don't care.
I'm
pulling out more people, but sand ain't my thing apparently.
Fair enough. Gotta get you a proper strap, my friend. That'll help a lot.
Yeah, that one ain't even my normal one.
All right. Oh. All right, so make sure wheel straight with me. I'm not gonna pull it as hard as him. I was just having some fun.
I know.
So I'll do enough to get you out, and then I'm just gonna leave you on. We'll come around and make a wide turn, and I'll bring you up onto the concrete, okay? Just make sure you leave some tension so we don't run over the line, okay?
I got you.
All right. Oh my goodness. That was wild.
Not that bad video, boss.
Oh my goodness. Here, back up a tiny bit. We're on the line. Just a tiny bit. We got it out though. That's what matters.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, that one got a little squirrely, huh? Did you get a good video of that?
Yeah.
I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep ripping on it and keep my distance. And it worked. Nothing went wrong, so you know. Should have flipped the camera to get a better angle from the other side, but with the wide lens, we should be okay.
Yeah.
He wants me to double check, make sure I got the money.
You got it?
Yep.
Flix.
Yep, all good.
Thank you, sir.
All good. You have a blessed day, okay? There you go, guys. That ended up being an interesting one. A little bit squirrely. Tried to keep my speed up so he wouldn't wrap the rope. But hey, at the end of the day, we got him out. Nothing damaged, no one hurt. Everyone's good, everyone's out and unstuck. So we're gonna take that as a dub. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Sam.